I'm a designer, stylist, and queen of cozy.
This video is specifically to talk about the DIY elements within how you design your space.
That curtain rod is actually made out of twigs, fallen twigs. No trees were harmed in the making of this curtain rod. So it's just some twigs that we cut down and then you spray paint it all and put it up there, and you get to choose your size. Like, it's one of a kind, so you just find it per window.
Those curtains are tea towels. Amazing. Yeah. So how did you get that idea?
It's a complicated space. It's tiny. You don't normally find a curtain that's that big. And then we realized, hey, this is going to work no matter what we do in this space. Like, we just have to switch out the tea towel every year or every couple of years. And
so smart.
If it gets ratty or whatever, it's fine. It's a tea towel.
This bird's nest is a DIY.
What? Did you just call it?
A bird's nest.
No. What? That's so mean.
What do you mean?
It's a beautiful light.
The DIY element of this, that it's store-bought, but you painted it.
Yeah, like it was almost there. It was the right size, it was the right shape, it had the right vibe. It was just, you needed one more tweak. I think this is beautiful. I think this is totally on trend.
It's still a bird's nest.
Do you know what this tub is?
It looks like a baby bathtub. That's what it looks like.
She's cheating. She's cheating.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
It's a baby bathtub?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute.
And we turned it into a sink, and we obviously added to it to make it a more functional sink and be able to use counter space, but yeah, good guess. This is a lantern. You know those lanterns that people usually have a couple varying heights of, and that you put a candle and some sand? Yeah. So we just took it and we put it up and put a light inside of it. Out here, you're exposed to all the elements, so we knew we wanted a light, but it really, you know, protects it, and it's beautiful, and it goes with the aesthetic out here. So we actually carry this idea inside the latrine too. Yeah. Just for fun.
This window is on a track.
Yeah, so these tracks are throughout the whole treehouse, cabin, latrine. It's just a common theme around here. You don't want this to hinge and hit you. There's not space for that here. But you also don't want stuffy air in your bathroom, so it makes sense that you can just slide it.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Guys, come closer. Come to me. It says banking hours. It's a banking door.
Yes,
so
that's right.
Purposed an old door.
Yeah, it's an old banking door that we found ahead of time and then built it into this building, and even kept the original glass. It is painted because it was kind of an ugly color, but other than that, it's all original. Yeah. And can we just talk about their hours? Like, I want these hours. It was an old window shutter.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
We had some stumps here, and instead of just taking them out, we thought, well, why not put a bench here? This is another local find. It's vintage door panels.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Did you guys paint it blue like this?
No, this is all exactly how it came. And we managed to find enough of it for the whole kitchen. So we're at the end of the tour.
It was awesome, and you know what? I'm really impressed with your ability to naturally incorporate DIYs to make a space feel unique, but not completely overdo it.